Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. I'm done, except for one part. I've got a little bamboo post sticking up here. I'm gonna make a cool little windmill thingamajobber on the top of it. But this enclosure is complete for herbs and berries. All done. Simple little latch for a door. And the door opens. Goes a little wanky when you open it. And then if you come in, use another hole I drilled to keep unwanted guests out. And guess what? I'm not very zoomed in. Got the strawberries planted, replacement strawberries. Ever-bearing. Snapped off some blooms, but I'll see them bloom one time. I'll come in here and obliterate all the blooms, and then I'll let them go. And Britt's going to be getting herbs in, probably today. Got figs, a fig bush in there. It's probably going on 10 years old now. It produces fruit, but they never do ripen. We're loaded with blueberries. This is what I've been trying to protect because it's, I don't know how many blueberries are in here, but there's enough worth, I mean, it's, yeah, you be the judge. There's way too many blueberries in there to let the birds have. We're just loaded. I think this bush right here, I think there are two different breeds of blueberry. But between this bush and that bush is where I'm going to be trying to snap off some limbs and get potted and rooted and spot another bush over here or there. I did notice something though, which I found real interesting, was I've never paid attention to this before, but let's see if this is it right here. No? There's a couple of limbs that fell to the ground somewhere in this mess where they were becoming their own bush because they were submerged under mulch for so long. I think it's on the other side. I think I found it. I just didn't know blueberries did this. I think here we go. Yeah, this guy right here. Yeah, so that's a limb coming off of the main bush, but it was buried. So I rolled with nature. Because when I was fooling around in here, clearing out things that I don't want, I yanked this up, and lo and behold, there was roots back there. But the stem continued to the mother plant. So I buried it back again, and I'm going to roll with what I got. Of course, I got sumac coming up in here like gangbusters because there used to be a sumac tree up there. I got to clear all that out because sumac is a great tree if you want quick shade. If anybody wants to, if you want fast, instantaneous payback on your time, and you like a tree that has somewhat of a tropical-ish look, sumac is a good choice. However, its root system is shallow, and that sumac tree will produce babies. It'll travel, because, I mean, I can get, oh yeah, here you go. Here we go. The distance from there to there is about 25, 30 foot, 20, close to 30 feet. And baby sumac, baby sumac, baby sumac. You could literally create, see, it's all one ecosystem. They're all one tree. But they do provide a quick shade tree for you. Really, really fast. Within 2 years, you'll have a tree that tall. Which that's like 12 feet tall right there. Now, I did do a experiment about, I'd say, 12 years ago. I allowed a sumac to, I think I planted a sumac. Yeah, that's what I did. Well, now this sumac's trunk is 12 inches in diameter, easy. And I've trimmed it back a few times, spooky. And it's per darn tall. It's about 25 foot. They have a tendency to get to a certain height, these red berry sumacs, and they'll kind of peter off and they'll start willowing out. I've cut a lot of limbs off of this thing just because the way it grew, it has that big old Y in the middle right there. It was becoming weight heavy over here, weight heavy over there, so I decided to trim a lot of that away. The downside is, wherever you plant it, you're always going to have babies everywhere, and you just got to manage it. Right here in this yard, I've found. Okay, so there's the sumac. I have found babies clean over there, over the bank a little bit, as a result of that sumac, because there is no other sumac anywhere else. She's got to be guilty. There's my light pole, and that sumac is probably 3 feet shy of being even with the light pole, which I don't run the light pole, but because it shines right in our bedroom. Roses are in bloom. I don't even know how we got on this tangent. I'm done with my damn blueberry area. Get a final up close look at it. I'm going to go to making my windmill now. There's a completed walk around. Turned out exactly like I thought it would, excluding a couple of the options or features that I thought I would integrate into it. And herbs will probably be going in today, between what a viewer, Moonchild, sent me and what we have on hand. I'm hopeful those bamboo bends on the top don't obliterate, that they stay the way they are, because it's just gonna be fun to go in and remediate that. If I had a do-over, I would probably stick to my guns and just use thick wall PVC pipe. Oh, I got work to do, dang it. I'm gonna trim that off yet. Okay, scissor time. I'm gonna give an update on peanuts and jicama. Because I think I got jicama finally popping. My God, I should have soaked that stuff before I planted it. There you have it, guys. update on this. I think it looks okay. Turned out pretty darn neat. It's kind of goofy. Arches don't exactly match, but who really cares? It'll be fine. It'll be alright. Alright guys, you have a good day. See ya.